So the vegan salad on the right provides major amounts of fat-soluble vitamins A, which promotes good vision, E, which is an antioxidant, and K from the kale, spinach, and olive oil, as well as the water-soluble vitamin B6, which promotes nervous system health from the walnuts. Major minerals phosphorus and magnesium are found in the hummus, and the strawberries provide the trace mineral manganese, which helps support bone health.
The chicken salad on the left provides major amounts of water-soluble vitamin, which helps the body convert food into fuel for the body. And the chicken also provides a trace of mineral selenium. The cheese is a major source of calcium, which promotes bone health, and the carrots, kale, and spinach provides fat-soluble vitamins A, E, and K, which promotes blood clotting. Fat-soluble vitamins A, which promotes good vision, E, which is a antioxidant, and K.
Very nice.